Hello everybody, welcome to the vlog. I am in the kitchen. I'm just having a mid-afternoon snack. It's already like it's like 1:20 in the afternoon. I'm just taking a bit of a break. I've been working all morning. I just filmed a skincare video, which I'm really excited about. I had a ton of fun filming it. It's one of my favorite topics to talk about, so you might see that before this video. I don't know, it depends on how the editing goes. Anyways, I wanted to do a little daily vlog. It might turn into like a 2 or 3 day vlog depending on how things go. But since I'm in the kitchen, I wanted to show you my latest project that I'm thrilled with, and it was mostly thanks to a sweet dollar store find and the sale section at Walmart. So so our kitchen is a bit of a mess. I have a ton of dishes to do. The recycling needs to go out, but this is the most exciting thing to me. This is my latest project. So if you guys have watched my videos for a while, you know this, like, Shawn added on these 2 rough shelves when we replaced our countertop, just because the countertop already came this 10-foot length and we didn't want to shorten it because we already have a small kitchen, and we can always use more counter space, more workspace. So that's why we now have these 2 like roughed in shelves here. Eventually they'll be a little prettier, a little more put together, but they function for now. But I mostly keep cleaning supplies in a basket on the bottom shelf, and it was starting to look really messy. That and the shelves are kind of, I don't know if you can see, they're kind of rough. So I've been wanting to put a little a little curtain here for ages. I just didn't want to spend a ton of money because it's not a forever thing. Anyways, long story short, I was at Dollarama and they had these really, really long valances that are meant for the top of windows on sale for $4. So these 2 pieces are actually one long valance for like a really, really wide, I think it's like, I forget the length, but it's really long, like a really big wide window. I just cut it in half. I still need to like hem and clean up this side. Oh, sorry, the floor is really dirty there. And it ended up being pretty perfect to do like this side and then that side as well. So $4 for the curtain. So I'm considering that like $2 a panel because I cut it in half. And then I just got these little tension rods from Walmart, and they were on sale for $3 each, down from $11. So $3, $6 plus $4 for the curtain material, or the ready-made curtain, I guess, and $10. And I am over the moon thrilled with it. I actually wanted to do this up here as well, but they only had one white valance left. The rest of them were like a weird brown color, and I wasn't feeling it for the kitchen. I want it to be clean and crisp and white. But yeah, this is my latest project and I'm in love with it. Anyways, yeah, I just had to share. I love myself a good dollar store find. I love finding super, super affordable home decor items that look more expensive than they actually are, and that fits the bill. So yeah, let me know if you guys have done anything like that in the past, like if you've found something at Dollarama or something at a thrift store or like at Walmart and you've kind of like reworked it to look a little fancier, a little more special in your space. I'm all about those hacks. Anyways, I need to eat something, and I also need to put dinner in the slow cooker. I am making some soup. So I've made the soup in I think 2 previous vlogs, so I won't show it here. I will link it up in a card though, somewhere up here, the video where I make the soup. It's like a vegetable detox soup and it's delicious. So I'm gonna do that right now, do these dishes. Yeah. And actually, while I'm talking about dollar store finds that I'm thrilled with, I'll show you a few of my other favorite Dollarama buys. So some of my favorites are these little candles. They look like little anthropology candles, which is why I liked them so much. And I think they were $2 each. So I have one for up here. I have one over here, which I think is really, really cute. And then some of my other favorites are like wooden spoons. I have a few from Dollarama, and then these cutting boards are from Dollarama. We mostly use these guys. They're like bamboo cutting boards, I think. And we mostly use them for like serving, you know, fancy schmancy cheeses and meats and stuff when we're entertaining because they just look so pretty on there. Okay, now we're in the bathroom. These are my most recent Dollarama buys and I'm in love with them. These are actually tea towels, like they're dish towels for the kitchen, but they're so thick, they're so absorbent, they're so soft. I decided to buy a bunch of them and use them in the bathroom as just hand towels. I love like the really subtle pattern in them. And they're just really simple, really pretty. I got a bunch of white ones. I have a stack of 3 here, but I have more in the wash. They were $2 for 2, so I got a bunch of them. And I'm just going to keep like a really pretty stack of them right here. I think I like them so much because they kind of remind me of like the Turkish towels, the really thin bath towels and hand towels. But they were super affordable, and I feel like they really don't look like they're from the dollar store. Alright guys, we are back in the kitchen. I am about to start making this vegetable detox soup. It's super yummy. I'm just realizing I actually don't have spinach or basil, which this recipe calls for, but it should still be very tasty. I will link this recipe in the description box down below. I'll also put a link to my last video where I made the soup up in a card up here somewhere. And while I'm making this, I'm gonna watch a little bit of Melissa and Joey because I'm like super into this show right now. Honestly, if we were to pay for satellite or cable or whatever, like actual TV, because we just use our computer and Netflix and YouTube, and that's pretty much what we do for television entertainment. But if I was to pay for actual satellite, I think the only channels I would care about would be HGTV and the Disney Channel. I'm almost 30 and I still love Disney shows. Anybody else? Anybody else? I hope there are more people like that. I've been chopping carrots and I dropped a carrot and I've been like scouring the floor searching for this one piece that I dropped, and finally, after like 10 minutes of searching, I find it. Okay guys, it is now thunder and lightning and it has put me in a total cozy mood. I'm gonna light some fall candles. I'm gonna make a pot of tea, and I think I'm gonna do a little closet clear out. This weather just makes me want to nest, organize, make the house cozy, so that's what I'm gonna do. Dishes are pretty much done. That one is being a little stubborn. Look how good that looks. You can't really tell, but it smells really good. I brought in this little sweet fig and pomegranate candle from my office into the bedroom. This smells surprisingly cozy, very fall-like. I think it's the fig. I think I'm going to do a little bit of a closet clear out. Nothing crazy because I just recently did this, but there are some clothes that I have been avoiding wearing all summer, so I know they have to go, so I'm gonna get rid of those.
I know what you want, but I don't wanna talk. You say it's no one's fault, the battles that we lost, the chances I gave you, I never complained, it's true. The nights you didn't call, then I come home at...
Alright, Shawn just got home from work. It's 5:30. This still has a ways to go. It's probably going to be a very late dinner, but he brought home, these are buns for him, like cheese buns. I wish I could eat those. But he also got me these Shawn gluten-free ciabatta buns, and I have to say we've had these a few times before as well. These are the best ready-made, like grocery store gluten-free buns I think we've come across so far. So if you can get your hands on these and you're eating gluten-free, these are seriously delicious, as close as it gets to an actual ciabatta bun. So I'm very excited to eat these.
I want to be daring, baby, dance tonight.
What did we just go do?
Hi, everybody.
Shawn.
We just went to Home Depot. What did we accomplish? Very little.
No, I got paint.
Julie got paint.
It's 9:53 in the evening on a Friday night, and I'm gonna paint the kitchen.
Yep, I ran an exploratory mission on how to build a tiny wall for our air conditioner to protect it from the elements and from people's eyeballs, because Julie doesn't want people looking at it because
Sadly.
it's apparently an eyesore. Our good cold boy. Julia doesn't love him the way I do, but I love him.
All right, it is 10:20. We've started clearing it all out. I think what's gonna have to happen is we're gonna clear it out tonight and start painting bright and early in the morning. Because there's still, I didn't realize like how much stuff we actually have to take off the walls.
There's a lot of useless things on this shelf.
A lot of beautiful things. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Piling it all in the living room.
What strainers we don't use.
The way I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better.
This is what happens when I sleep on wet hair. Oh my goodness. It is the next morning. I just have coffee going. It is 7:53, false, 7:45 in the morning on Saturday. And I don't know if you can see, but we did a bunch of patching last night. So my first task is to start sanding these areas. And I'm very tired. I can barely talk. Step one, sanding everything down, and then I can get to painting. Okay, I'm getting some coffee in me before I start this journey. I feel like I'm procrastinating already. I hate the sanding part. It's the worst part of painting. But I am really excited to do this. So yeah, step one, coffee. Step two, sand everything down. Step three, vacuum everything down to get rid of all the dust from the sanding. Step four, go hop in the shower because I look like this and we're going out this morning for like a brunch, lunch, food truck situation. There's like this food truck gathering going on in our little area of the city, so we're gonna go do that. And then when I come back, I am going to get down to business and put the first coat on this kitchen. I'm actually very excited. Also guys, I don't think I showed you last night, but this is the paint that we're using. I will throw the inspiration photo for this little kitchen makeover up on the screen here, and I will link her blog post down below where she goes through all of her kitchen. I forget her name at this moment, this early on a Saturday morning, but I am using an interior satin enamel paint. It's paint and primer in one from Behr. This is like the cheaper option. There's two versions of this from Behr. One is just like $10 more a gallon. I went for the $35 one because we're just painting over a light color. So this should do the trick. I got 2 cans of the same color, and we're going with Navajo white. If you can see that, it's like this really subtle, really warm ivory white color. So the idea is to do lots of layered whites. I'm gonna do the walls, this Navajo white to start, and then I think I'm gonna do the trim and the baseboards in the same color, and maybe the cabinets. That's what she did in her kitchen, and it looks lovely. And then I'm gonna keep all the brass accents, kind of like she did. I'm basically copying her to a T, but we have a very different kitchen layout, style, and look. So we'll see how it turns out. Kind of winging it, but it needed to be repainted anyways. It's been about 6 years since this room was painted, so it needs some freshening up regardless. Anyways, just thought I would give you that little update.
I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no gloves. You
Alexa, pause. Alexa, pause. She always takes forever to listen to me. Okay, I just showered. I'm gonna curl my hair, put some makeup on, and then we're gonna go eat some delicious food. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I will pick it back up in my next vlog and show you guys the painting process in the kitchen. And then I also have some new lights that I want to order just to continue the brass theme. I'm very excited about this. But for now, I will say goodbye. I hope you all enjoy the rest of this beautiful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!